What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, definitely everything, guys, tastes better with Kaspa. Yeah, today I'm singing a different song. What is ringing in my head is something very different. I'm on my way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm on my way up. Okay, guys, you guys already know the drill. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, check out market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, guys, we look at our prices in details, okay? And right after that, we look at our positions, and then we check on my also new positions. Just like you guys already know me. I'm a man of my words. I'll always do what I tell you guys I'm going to do, okay? It is how it works in this my Millionaire journey channel. Honesty, total honesty every time, okay? Because like I said, I want to surround myself with you guys, people with millionaire mentality, okay? We don't want to wait. Again, if I surround myself with a lot of millionaire mentality, how you say this, mentally focused millionaire people, I will become a millionaire too. So yeah, that is the whole deal. That's why I created this channel in the first place. But anyways, before we get to all that stuff, guys, today is the day. Today is the day. I expect very high volatility in the crypto space today. Much more on the coins that we are trading. Okay, King Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, Cubic. Okay, if you want to add some more, you can add Terra Luna Classic into that. Although on Luna Classic, I'm not on leverage. I don't have a leverage position open. I'm only buying it on spot. Okay, so yeah, that's the only reason why. But anyways, now yesterday as I finished talking to you guys, one of you guys inboxed me and he was asking me why is the reason, why am I come on, I can't speak this morning. Maybe I need some more coffee. Okay, here you go. He was asking me, why am I opening a leverage trade on Cubic, even though the market cap seems a lot volatile? Okay, so yeah, that's an interesting question. Okay, now that you think about it, I go, that's an interesting question. But I will answer you, okay? For example, right now, Cubic is sitting at the market cap of $240 million, I think, thereabout, if I'm not correct. Now, for me, I think if Cubic does bad, okay, if it doesn't do as good as everything that they set out to do, I think that Cubic could probably and easily reach a market cap of $10 billion this run. It could do that, and that will probably put Cubic around that 4 zeros and a 1 thereabout. Now, do you imagine if you have a leverage trade open and we go from $250 million to $10 billion, you will make you not less than $100,000, not less than that. So you are in between there, probably $100,000 or $150,000, and that, my friends, with very little amount of money. Look, for example, let's say if you put in $3,000 on leverage, something like that. That is what my mentality is. Okay, so you invest on spot. Like you guys already know, I have close to 800-900 million coins, something like that, or something. I forgot. I don't look at it. I just want to see it at the end of the run. That's why I'm not looking at all my spot accounts yet. I usually keep an eye just on my leverage account for now. But yeah, that is one reason. Okay, and I know. Oh, come on. I know, guys, I do know that it's risky. I understand that the market cap, the reason why you see that market cap and price jumping up and down so easily is because the market cap is still low. It is easily moved. Okay, there's people who think like, okay, I don't know what price people got in. There are people who got in right from the beginning, and right now they're probably sitting in a lot of they are sitting on a lot of money, and they have to sell, which again is normal. It's a normal thing for people to do. So yeah, my answer to you is because the opportunity there in cubic using leverage is insane. Let's just say, like I'm saying, if cubic does bad, it's around $10 billion market cap if it does bad. Now, did you imagine if it does good? Let's say if cubic does good, ecosystem starts to build, before the end of the run, you might see cubic at around 30 or even $40 billion market cap. Okay, and that, my friend, will put cubic at 3 zeros and a 3, or 3 zeros and a 5 or something like that. And that, my friend, that will mean if you put 3 grand on leverage, you can walk away from that trade with almost $500,000. Yeah, I know it's very hard to do, but it's not impossible. And you guys already know me. As long as the probability of something happening, okay, is not zero, I am in there. That's why I open that trade. That's why I get in there, regardless of what the market does. Even if it doesn't do that good. If I can turn 3 grand into $20,000 or into $50,000, I'm happy with that. Okay, but my projection, I'm thinking cubic, minimum 10 billion, maximum probably 30-40 billion dollar market cap. Okay, so I hope I answered your question correctly. Okay, now going back to the events of today, you guys do remember I told you every time there is an FMOC meeting, Kaspa usually roar. Okay, there might be a delay in the price action, but it is going to take off. It's going to go. Therefore, as you can see, I have a little red eyes. I didn't sleep that much. I was trying to get that entry. I was hoping for price to go back down before I get in, but it didn't. It didn't go down. There was a lot of trading between the bulls and the bears at that 12 cents, like 12.1, 12.3, 12.1, 12.3. And I say, you know what? F it. I'm in. I'm not, even if price goes down back to 10 cents, F it. I'm in. So I open my trades, and I will show you guys in a bit. But you guys already know, okay? The thing is that people are expecting, okay? People are expecting for the Fed to maintain the same interest rate. But that's, yeah, I don't know. There is a very, I don't know how I feel about that. Either ways, if the Fed come in and maintain the same rates, Kaspa is gonna pump, okay? If the Fed come in and then cut the rates, which is reducing the interest rate, Kaspa is gonna run, it's gonna blow. That's how it is. Okay, so regardless of the situation, it's a win-win situation for Kaspa. Now, for Bitcoin, again, a lot of people are beginning to start saying the same thing. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is going to this and blah, blah, blah. And I will repeat myself again. Guys, we need Bitcoin to go back to $90,000. It's not for a bad reason. The reason is because at $90,000, even $87,000, it will gather that momentum. It will go. It will be able to reach that $170,000, $180,000 hard price. But if it doesn't, guys, keep this video. If it doesn't go back down, I think Bitcoin is going to top out between $140,000 to $160,000. Do not say I did not warn you. And you're talking to a guy that holds Bitcoin. I hold. You guys already seen my portfolio. I hold Bitcoin. Okay, for me, I would love it to go higher, but you have to be realistic about what is coming. A lot of people don't seem to see it, and this is what I'm telling you guys. During the bear market, if you time it right, you are going to make an insane amount of money. Go look at history. Okay, go look at history. You will see back in 2008, what is about to happen in this 2025 happened back then. Okay, and what happened? They cut interest rates from whatever there was all the way to zero. Once they did, stock market crashed. Cryptocurrency, I don't think there was cryptocurrency then, but everything crashed down. And those of them, for example, if you were doing calls or put on the stock markets, if you had some puts there, you would have made your insane money. But you guys, I don't like doing that on stocks. The stocks that I'm holding, they're just normal ones. So like I choose to sell whenever I choose to sell. But anyways, going back to crypto, that's what I'm telling you guys. This bull run is going to be over in the next 6 to 8 months, or even sooner than that. Because the way you look at it, the bull run is only going to last as long as the interest rates does not go to zero. The day the FOMC meeting comes out, Jerome Powell comes out here and announces zero interest rates, you're about to see the whole bull run come to a stop, and then you will see. So yeah, I've been monitoring the market, and again, like I said, I'm going to exit my plans 6 to 8 months from now, and I will start shorting Bitcoin, guys, because I'm telling you, it's going to be an insane amount of money to be made. But today, it is also a day to have in mind. Just like any other FOMC meetings, watch out for Kaspa, guys. It's been 2 weeks. I've been telling you guys that this day is coming. The bullish momentum for Kaspa starts today. And I was also browsing Twitter and the rest of them. I've been telling you guys, Binance is acting funny. They've been acting funny for the past 2 weeks. And I'm telling you guys that it seems like they are about to list Kaspa. That is going to be the next the second bullish catalyst for Kaspa. So yeah, I was going to wait to see if the market is going to go back down to 10 cents, but I decided like no, I don't want to take that chance. And you guys already know me. Whatever the price is, it is what it is. I got into it and I scaled it up, because in this my millionaire journey, we're here to make money. That's what we're here for. We're not here to lose it. Okay, so you better watch it. That's why in my head I'm singing. Okay, I'm on my way up. That's what I'm singing right now. So I even put it on my X account when I was opening my my trades. I put it in there. You know what? Let me show you. I think it's, again, some people don't like to believe when I tell you guys, like, yeah, this is what I did. Some people usually be like, yeah, you probably saying it, and it's not what you did. If you go to my account, go to my profile, you will see it right there, my post. Come on, here, see that? Entering 50x long 50x long trade on Kaspa and 50x long trade on Cubic. Let's make that money. Yeah. You already know me, right? You already know me. So yeah, I put in the tweet and I got in. I didn't want to wait. Shit. We better make that money. So yeah, the market still looks a little bit like that. But again, that is the reason why you need to put your money where it's going to grow. Okay? I tell you guys, the coins that we're trading, Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, Cubic, they are going to make you an insane amount of money. Not financial advice, but it is what I am doing. Okay? So far, yeah, I think my own track record speaks for itself, right? So yeah, I think I'm doing something right. Yeah, so today, get ready for that FOMC meeting. Once it drops, you guys, they're about to see. Like I said, there's only two choices: staying the same, the interest rate, which will pump Kaspa, or drop the interest rate, which would take the Kaspa price shooting up. But do not get confused. Normally, before the FOMC meeting, price usually drop and then picks up. Okay, that's what usually happens in all the FMOCs. The effect is like a delayed effect. It doesn't happen right away. So I did not want to take that chance. I don't want to take the chance of missing my entry or whatever. So I did what I do best. I entered my trades and I scaled them up. Like I always tell you guys, scale that trade up just in case if the market swings, you are not going to get caught in that action. Understand? Anyways, now let's go look at the market, how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go here. I gotta get my crypto bubbles right there. So you can see everything still is still looking nasty. It's still looking nasty, right? On the daily, let's see here. Yeah, it's still looking nasty everywhere. Yeah. So that's, again, people are still indecisive. But for, like I told you guys, the coins that we are trading, yeah, I think we are going to start running. But anyway, now if we go here, let's look at first King Kaspa, KAS. Okay, for the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.5%, 3% down on the day, 7.3% down on the week, 3% up on the month, and 14.5% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.09 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $55.06 million. Yeah, that volume is still pretty low, but again, guys, yeah, I'm not gonna wait. That's why I opened my trade. I don't want to wait. But anyways, now let's go look at Quant, QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. We have here 0.1% down the last hour, 2.7% down on the day, 15.1% down on the week, 9.4% down on the month, and 8.1% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.43 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $37.14 million. Now looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, we have here 1% down the last hour, 5.4% down on the day, 14.5% down on the week, 29.1% down on the month, and 350% up the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.14 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $77.25 million. Last but not the least, Cubic, high risk, high reward. Like I always say, Cubic, for the last hour, we are up 0.9%, 2.9% down on the day, 12.6% down on the week, 27% down on the month, and 25.3% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $239.98 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $4.41 million. Now, if you look at the last three coins, let me go back here right quick. The last three coins, which is Quant, Jasmine, Cubic, those three coins, okay, unfortunately, they follow Bitcoin. Okay, they follow Bitcoin, because if you look at the numbers for Kaspa, compare them to the numbers of those three coins, you will see one different thing. Kaspa looks like he wants to take off, but those three coins, they look like this, trying to either sideways or downwards. Okay, look at that. The reason is because Bitcoin is also trending either sideways or downwards. Bitcoin is still indecisive. I think Bitcoin move is going to depend on what the FMOC meeting results are. Okay, that's what it's going to depend on. Therefore, you should not be looking at those numbers by themselves. Although Quant on its own, I think, like I said so many times, Quant has a lot of bullish momentum behind it, and if Bitcoin drops, you're going to see that Quant is not going to drop as much. Jasmine, on the other hand, is different. Jasmine usually drop almost twice of whatever that Bitcoin does, and Cubic, it is still such a tiny market cap coin that any movement moves that price really, really bad. So yeah, it's a risk I'm taking. I don't know about you, but we're here to make money. Understand? That's what we're here for. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's look at prices in details. Okay, if you look at trading view, let's check trading view right quick and open that one for me. Come on, don't give me no errors. I ain't got time for that right now. We're trying to make this money. We ain't got time for that right now. So yeah, this is Kaspa on the hourly chart. Okay, but here is where the kicker is. Let me open up my let me bring up my arrow right quick so I can be able to show you. If you look at this range, see there is a lot of trading activity here. Price try to go, people buy it, people try to buy, the other people sell, then again they sell, buy, sell. This is why this area right here, this is why I entered my positions right quick, even though the conditions are still showing bearish because the ribbon is still going down, the moving average is still also going down. But right now, if you look at the hourly, I usually use the 1 hour for the price direction to show me where the price is doing. But again, if you pay attention, every time price goes down, look at how they buy it back up. The wicks, see, goes down, they buy it back up, goes down, buys it back up. The same thing is happening now. Yeah, there is still a potential chance, according to what I'm looking at right now on this 1 hour chart, there's still a potential chance that this price could come down to 11.6 or 11 something. But guys, yeah, I think the FOMC is going to push it. I think the FOMC meeting is going to push it above the ribbon, and then we're probably going to see this thing curve and starts to go up to retest the top of this falling wedge, which is around 12.8 to 13 cents. Yeah, from there probably it's going to try to make a decision whether it's going to dump or not. But yeah, that is a chance I did not want to take, because it looks like this right here, this might be the bottom. It might be the bottom, although there is a clear inverse head and shoulder. See, first shoulder, second, you have a head, and then you have a second shoulder. If you put this line here, this will take the price back right there at 11.6, 11.7, or probably 11.4. But again, let's see how it goes from here. And let me show you again. You guys remember yesterday? Hold on, let me bring my computer right quick. Yeah, you guys remember yesterday I told you I was waiting for the MACD. Okay, MACD and RSI to at least touch. I wasn't waiting for them to flip completely. I like to see them touch and I enter my trade. That's me. I don't like to wait for price confirmation. Okay, but anyways, let me show you right quick. Okay, let's go back to the camera right here, and all I have to do is try to flip this around. Okay, see, this is why I was telling you guys. You see that? They are touching right now. That's why I entered my trade, even though this has not flipped yet. This is a leading indicator. Okay, MACD is a leading indicator. It usually go first before the RSI goes in and does its thing. Okay, so yeah, it is something that I was watching, and I was sorry, like I said, first of all, the RSI is a leading indicator. You will see the RSI flip first before the MACD does. Okay, sorry, I said it backwards. So yeah, yesterday I told you guys, let me try to zoom it in. See that? It's touching. So yeah, as soon as it touches, I open my trade. I open it because it means that this guy is about to flip. And guys, this is on the daily time frame. Like I told you guys, I trade daily, weekly, monthly. As soon as the daily and the weekly have reset, what I usually do next is just get into my entry. Let me show you the weekly right quick. We are on Kaspa. Okay, see the weekly have flipped. Blue is on top of red, and this is already pink. So yeah, that is an okay price to go in. And then the daily is about to flip. It's already touching. So yeah, I got into my trade, not waiting. So that is me. That's my style of doing things. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to trading view right quick. Right here, let's go back there. So yeah, that is why I enter my trade. That does not mean there is still no possibility for Kaspa to drop, just like I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, looking at it on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour right quick, and you will see this. Okay, oh, come on, you see this. This is something I also want to show you guys. According to this, like I showed you guys so many times, it's a falling wedge. Okay, falling wedge, which means, like as you can see, the probability of prices going up is getting higher, because look, on the falling wedge, we touched the top, came back, touched the bottom. You can see. Let me delete these guys right quick, that way you can see it better. I'm gonna take out this line. Okay, see, now follow it. Okay, if you see the top, we came into the falling wedge. Okay, this is why I'm telling you guys, like, this is a very bullish move. It's just once we break off this falling wedge, you are about to start seeing it. It's a very big move. See, we enter the falling wedge, which is the top is over there around 20 cents or something, around 20 cents. Yeah, we broke back down, touched the bottom, touched the top, touched the bottom most recently, and now if you go, you see that we are already setting up to go touch the top of the wedge again. Just right here, we touched the bottom already. Now we go in, it's gonna touch the top. Okay, once we touch the top, it will make a decision. Did it want to break out, confirm, and going? If it breaks out and confirm, this thing is going back all the way to the top of the wedge, which is around 19-20 cents. Okay, so yeah, for me, this FOMC meeting and the rest of the bullish momentum coming for Kaspa seals it for me. So yeah, I entered my trade. I don't care if it goes back down a little bit more to 10 cents or whatever, I'm already in. So yeah, that is my way of doing things. So yeah, now let's go look at Quant right quick. What is Quant? QNT. Oh, come on, give me Quant, not Jasmine, because we already know Jasmine is gonna do the same as Bitcoin. It don't matter what it don't matter what the price of Jasmine is supposed to be. If Bitcoin goes down, Jasmine goes down. That's as simple as that, like I always told you guys. But anyways, let's look at Quant QNT right here, USDT Binance, this guy. Now, I told you guys, Quant has its own range, right? Quant was going to range, was going to do its thing. It don't matter how you try to see it, because range of Quant is around $100 to $125. So as long as we keep in that range, okay, let me try to go on the daily. I think that you can see it better if I go on the daily. Okay, here, this is Quant's range. We're going from $100 to $125. And I remember telling you guys yesterday that if Bitcoin dumps, you might see Quant retesting 95 or even what you call it, 95 to $98. Okay, so yeah, that is what Quant is doing right now. So if you look, price came down and we are riding the moving average. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing to touch the moving average and go back up to try to get this $125 resistance. If we break above it, then you'll be looking at next target to be 150. We'll break above that, 164. Once we close a daily candle above 164, guys, get ready for all-time high for Quant. That's as simple as that. There are no two ways about it. Okay, get ready for that. For Jasmine, again, that's the funniest thing. Okay, oh, let's look at the 1 hour right quick on Quant. Let's see if you can find anything different. Yeah, nah. So yeah, come on. Yeah, not yet. It looks like it's trying to make an attempt, because when you zoom in, it's forming on the 1 hour, it's forming a W, and the ribbon has started to curve. Okay, so yeah, that's why I'm telling you guys, I think Quant is about to take off. That's what I think is about to happen with Quant. Okay, so yeah, for Jasmine, okay, let's go grab Jasmine right quick. Japanese Bitcoin, JASMY. There you go. For Jasmine, guys, a lot of people think Jasmine is bearish. No, guys, Jasmine has a bullish flag. Okay, the problem with Jasmine, like I said so many times is that it is heavily correlated with Bitcoin. That's the problem. If you've been following my channel, you know that that blue line, we've had it there for the longest. Okay, as long as Jasmine does not go below 1.5 cents, Jasmine is still bullish. But as you can see right now, we touched that important support at 2.3 cents. Okay, that's where we touched. Like I told you guys, Jasmine was going to go down there to retest it. See, we touched it. It's coming back down, probably going to try to touch it again. Now let's see if the FOMC meeting is positive to the crypto space. This is going to form a W, and then we'll probably see Jasmine reversal, and that will start to go up. If you look at it on the daily, let's go on the day. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. It's just, it looks like Jasmine is about to reverse, but we about to wait to see what the FOMC will do, because right now, yeah, everybody's still falling full swing. The moving average is curving. The only thing that can save Jasmine right now from going lower is bouncing from here, get on top of the moving average, and then to start to go up. And again, as you can see, look at the attempts. It is trying to go up, but because of Bitcoin dumping, everybody's grandma and grandpa, they are so afraid they start to sell their altcoins. And Uncle Tommy from the basement, once he sees that, he also joins the party. That's why, as you can see, this is on the daily time frame. You can see Jasmine tried to break out, Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine dumps. Jasmine tried to break out, excuse me. Even yesterday, the same thing. So yeah, let's see. I think the support is holding perfectly. As you guys, like I said, if you've been following my channel, you will see that, yeah, I had this for the longest. We had this resistance up here at 3.8, and we have a support up here, down here at 2.3 cents on a dollar. If you want to look at it on the weekly, it will show you what I'm telling you. Jasmine has a bull flag. Okay, now, and that bull flag is getting affected by whatever that Bitcoin is doing. You can see Jasmine broke out. Okay, we formed this pole, and now the flag is coming down. As soon as we break out of this flag, next target is going to be right there, or at 4.5 cents or even 6 cents. So yeah, unfortunately, there's no TA you can do on Jasmine right now other than just sit and wait to see what the market does. Like I always tell you guys, let's go back here. Like I always tell you guys, in every trade, there is a before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. Jasmine right now is on the after the trade, because the before the trade was down there. During the trade is when it ran all the way up to 4.5 cents. After the trade is like we want to see how low it's going to come down, where it's going to find the support at, and then from there take off again and start going. Anyways, that said, guys, this is an opportunity. And when I say opportunity, big opportunity for you to either 5, 10, 20, or even 30 or 100 extra money. Depends on your trading skills. Okay, depends on all that. So yeah, down below I do have Phemex, Margex, Bydfi links. I do recommend Bydfi. It is very user friendly, and yeah, it won't give you much headaches. Okay, but before you go trading, guys, nobody, absolutely nobody cannot teach you how to trade. Use the links below, sign up, meet their deposit bonuses. Once you meet it, they are going to give you money. And when I say money, I'm talking about thousands of dollars. Once you get that, take away, like I did it. All I did is like I took away $100 or $200, and I started trading on the 1 hourly, 4 hourly, or even lower, 30 minutes. That right there gave me the experience to know what's a stop loss, how to add to my margin, how to close my position, how to open a position. Yeah, a lot of mistakes are going to be made. Trust me, you are going to make a lot of mistakes. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because it is better to make mistakes with $100 or $200 versus you making a mistake with $3, $4, $5, or $10,000. That right there, man, it hurts. And you guys already know, in my millionaire journey, total honesty, we are here to make money. We are not in the business of losing money. That my friends, that we are not doing that. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. We start with Bydfi. You guys already know On Bydfi, I'm trading Quant and I'm trading Kaspa, right? So yeah, let's go look at those right quick. Like I told you guys, today is a crazy day in the markets. The markets are indecisive. People don't know what they want to do. My overall, as you guys can see, still ranging. I'm still at $12,700 right here. Like again, like I told you guys, I know the coins that I'm trading because this right here, I'm going to show you this account 6 to 8 months from now in 6 figures, and you will see. Okay. Now going to my contracts, you can see. Let's go right here. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, as you can see, my Kaspa, okay, I am still down 38%, which is 2,800. Again, I told you guys this doesn't really matter to me. I'm looking at the final results in 6 to 8 months from now. That's why it doesn't bother me, okay? And you can look at my Quant. My Quant, I am down 8%, which is almost $900. Again, we're not looking at this. I'm looking at the end results. And those of you who don't believe it, it's like, look, listen. For example, Kaspa, just the all-time high alone, which will be 20 cents. But let's just take 25 cents. At 25 cents, this thing will make me $5,000, and I will be up 70%. You see, that is what I'm looking at. Not any other thing else. Let's say with the Binance listing coming up, I think we're about to hit that $1 or even $2. So at $1, this thing will make me $50,000, and I will be up 700%. At $2, I'm looking at $111,000. You see what I mean? So yeah, this is the things that I'm looking at. People comparing it to Cardano. Cardano, which was $3, this will be $172,000 for me. Again, if Kaspa does not do good, I think probably $5, which is $294,000 on this position. And if it gets to my price prediction, which I think it will, I think Kaspa will hit $10. We are looking at almost $600,000 with this, which is a price movement of 8,000%. So therefore, this little 38%, or even if it wants to, it can even go down 60%. It doesn't bother me. Understand? It doesn't. So yeah, I'm a very aggressive trader. Like I always say, look at that. I trade at 50x, and what I do, I scale up my position, and it dropped. Look at my liquidation, 6 cents. The same goes with my Quant. I trade 50x, and I drop my liquidation to $41, as you can see right there. So yeah, if you're looking at my Quant right now, talking about 8% down, I really don't care. It can do the same with Kaspa. It can go down 30, 40, 50%. I don't care, because I'm looking at 6 to 8 months from now. Now let's see. At all-time high, $400, this thing will make me $47,000, which I will be up 457%. You understand? That's what I'm looking at it. And then let's see if Quant doesn't do that good. Like I always say, the bearish price for Quant will be like around 1,700. At 1,700, this thing will put in my pocket $254,000. See that? Now we're talking about medium price target for Quant is 3,500. That's what I think it will be. So at 3,500, we're talking about $541,000 in profit, and I will be up 5,000%. Now I believe Quant is a $5,000 coin. I've said it, and I unless the market tells me different, but I think it is a $5,000 coin. And if that happens, we'll be looking at $780,000 in profit, and that will put me up 7,500%. So yeah, excuse me. Yeah, so that is what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. I don't really care about this what you call it, this tiny percentage, 40-50% down, or that is not my goal. Okay, come on, these people really want to call me now. Anyways, now that's my goal, is what you're looking at right now, and it's not impossible. It is not. We're just going to see what the market is going to do. But anyways, now let's go look at my other positions on Phemex. Phemex right quick. Phemex, you guys already know I am trading Kaspa and also trading Jasmy, right? So let me log in. Come on, let me log in right quick. Now, as you can see, Jasmy is pulling back aggressively because of whatever that Bitcoin is doing. And I told you guys, I really don't care. You guys seen my position. I was up one time not long ago, a couple of weeks, I think a week or two ago, I was up almost $17,000. But right now, I am still at 8,400, which is perfectly okay. The bull run is about to kick in that into that fifth gear, and that is you're about to look at this account again in 5 figures. Okay, so yeah, looking at my Jasmy, I am down 40. Let me put my glasses correctly. I am down 46%, which is 4,800. On my Kaspa, I am down the same thing, almost 48%, which is 2,700. Again, you got to look at this. I'm a very aggressive trader. 50x, 50x, and again, I drop my liquidation on Jasmy less than a cent, and on Kaspa 7 cents. So yeah, price can swing as much as it wants. It does not bother me. And just like I just showed you guys, look for Jasmy, for example. By the time price goes back at let's say 4.5 cents, all-time high we just hit, this position will make me $3,200, right? Now we also have 9 cents. This position will make me $20,000. After that, you can also take profit at 12 cents. This position will make me $31,000. The golden pocket is sitting at 15 cents. This position will be making me $42,000. And we also have a big resistance. If you were here in the last bull run, we had a big resistance at 20 cents. So 20 cents, this position will make me $61,000. Now, another one all-time high for last bull run was 30 cents. So at 30 cents, this position will make me $98,000. See that? Now, I believe that Jasmy, without their lockup, because they are planning to lock up a bunch of tokens, without the lockup, Jasmy is going to hit 60 cents. At 60 cents, this position will make me $210,000. Okay, it's not impossible, guys. It's very possible. Now, if they do lock up tokens and they lock up, let's say 5 or 10% of their total supply, you'll be looking at a Jasmy at probably $1.50 or $2. So let's entertain $1.50. At $1.50, this position will make me $546,000, and at $2, it will make me $733,000. These are the numbers that I am targeting in 6 to 8 months from now. And if you can see, little bit of 40% minus, it does not bother me, because look at that percentage. Look at that, 270%. So yeah, I'm not looking at that little thing. So now let's go look at my new positions. Like I told you guys, I was going to open positions on Wix exchange because I want to trade Cubic. Because guys, like I said before, imagine entering Cubic at the 200 and something million market cap, and it blows up 10 billion, 20, 30 billion. That is an opportunity I do not want to miss. Therefore, yeah, yesterday I entered my Kaspa trade. As you guys can see, I do have $3,000. I'm going to scale it up sometime again this week. I need to pull some money somewhere. So I do have a $3,000 position. Okay, I do have it again, 50x, because guys, like I said, if they let me scale it up, I am going to trade my 50x and I'll scale it up. My liquidation is down 7 cents, as you can see right here. And then my Cubic so far, yeah, Kaspa, I opened it this yesterday. Yeah, I'm up just $5. Just $5. And if you can see my Cubic, the same thing. I opened a Cubic position at 50x and I have $3,000 on it. Okay, so liquidation is what is this? 5 zeros and a 1. So yeah, I'm good right there. 5 zeros and a 1. So yeah, we probably, for it to hit that price, we probably we have to go to 0 with cubic before it goes down there. But anyways, right now, as you can see, I'm now up $11, which ain't that bad. Ain't that bad. But this is what I'm telling you guys about. For example, let's look at cubic. Okay, take profits. If cubic goes up, not too much, okay, 0. Let's say 5 zeros, 3, 4, 5 zeros, the way it is right now, 5 zeros and a 9, this position will make me $9,000. See, and that's just moving up. It's not not even 1 full point, because right now we are sitting at 5 zeros and a 2. If you go up to 5 zeros and a 9, I will almost count what you call it, $10,000. Now, like I said, for me, this run, I think cubic is looking at a 3 zeros and a 2, or 3 zeros and a 3, okay, which is around that 30, or I need to look at it, I need to look it up. But 3 zeros and a 2, this position will make me $279,000. These are numbers I'm looking at. Now, if we go crazy and it goes, let's say 3 zeros and a 6 or something like that, we're looking at $845,000, and that will probably put cubic at a market cap of 50 or 60 billion dollar market cap. So yeah, it's a long stretch. It's not impossible. It can happen. For me, for sure, I know cubic can hit 3 zeros and a 2, or even 3 zeros and a 3, and that will make me $421,000 with this position right now. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at. On this Kaspa, again, I'm going to scale this one up some more because I need to add more margin to this. On this Kaspa, let's see, if we go back to all-time high, which was at 20 cents, this will make me $2,000. At 25 cents, this will make me $3,100. At $1, this will make me $21,000. See? These are things that I'm looking at. Some people on Cardano, if you get to $3, this will make me $71,000. Now let's see if we go to my price. Oh, let's see, at $5 first, this will make me $120,000. If you go to my price prediction, which is $10, I will take home $244,000. Okay, these are the numbers I'm looking at 6 to 8 months from now, or probably for Kaspa at the end of the year, November, December, thereabout. Like I told you guys, let's go back here. Come on, where's my camera? Right there. Like I told you guys, the only coin I believe that will be running in December and 2026 January is going to be Kaspa. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is getting there. We're almost there. Let's see how today's FOMC meeting goes. So yeah, it's those catalysts, the catalysts for to move Kaspa, to pump Kaspa, they are showing up. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Let me know what you think about everything I just talked about. I want to know your opinion. Just comment down below. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. Turn on your notification bell on, that way you will know every time that I upload a brand new video. And also don't forget to share so that other millionaire minded individuals like you and me can see these videos and their family can grow. Okay, that being said, guys, it's an exciting day. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna go watch the FOMC today. I want to see how everything goes today. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourself. I'm on my way up. Nothing can stop me.